A stack is a data structure that follows the rule last in, first out. Imagine you're stacking plates. You'll place a plate one on top of another. When a plate is needed, you'll take the plate off the top. You can't remove the bottom plate without removing the ones above it first. That's the exact same way a stack works in programming. Typically with a stack, it has four primary operations. Push is going to add an item to the top of the stack. Pop is going to remove the top item from the stack. Peek is going to show the last item added to the stack without removing it. And isEmpty is going to check if the stack is empty or not. Now let's implement a stack in JavaScript. We're going to create a class named stack. Inside the constructor, we're going to initialize an empty array called items. This is going to hold the elements of our stack. We'll create a function named push, which is going to add a new element to the top of the stack. We're just using the built-in .push function on the array. We'll add a function named pop, which is going to remove and return the top element from the stack. Here we're using the built-in .pop function from the array. Peek is going to allow us to see the top item in the stack without removing it. We're just grabbing the last item in the array and using its index. IsEmpty is going to return true if there are no elements in the stack. We'll create a function named size, which is going to tell us how many items are currently in the stack. And finally, print is a utility method that's going to show the current stack in a readable format. Now let's test this out. We'll create a new stack instance and add 3 numbers to it using the .push method. Now when we call pop, that's going to remove the last item that we added to the array. We'll call peek, which is going to show the top item in the array after we popped off the last number. And finally, isEmpty is going to return false because we do have numbers within our stack. There you have it, how to implement a data structure stack in JavaScript.